Alright, what's up guys, it's K-Red Slab here, and I'm just gonna list a few updates that I have. On this channel, we're gonna have some brand new series. Now, I have a channel called youtube.com/jetsradder123. I decided that running two channels is not gonna work for me. I just wanna run one big channel. So, I'm gonna move my NFL prediction videos from jetsradder123 and start posting them on K-Red Slab. Also, I'm going to be hitting you up with a lot of more Happy Wheels. I'm going to restart Cool Math games and app reviews. I'm going to bring you some Xbox videos. And I'm going to play some more games, including Super Mario Bros. And of course, a ton of Minecraft. So be ready for that. I have a lot of Minecraft videos in QQ, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Alright, thanks. See ya. Oh yeah, and by the way, one last thing. NFL predictions starts today. Yes, tonight. I'm doing NFL predictions week 1, and I'm going to start off with Ravens Broncos because Ravens Broncos is tonight. And for my NFL predictions, I do 5 predictions per video. That's just what I want to let you know. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.